Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of July. Apologies for the late reading. Also, these are general readings, so might not resonate with each one of you. So take as it resonates. Let's see what your month has. Alright, Scorpio. Alright. What you don't see is a lot of communication coming your way. Alright. So Scorpio, this is your own card, isn't it? Now I see you in a very there was a passionate relationship, could be a third party, could be it was toxic, whatever said and done, and you moving away from it this month. You deciding enough is enough. It's not good for me. You actually understanding your worth, and then once you do that, you will get a nice offer this month. Queen of Pentacles again is an offer. But I would say beware of pushing people too hard. Though you have decided to walk away, or you are in a crossroads. You want to, and then you don't want to. Don't just don't build a wall. Don't try to start arguments. But you will be in a good position for those looking for financial reading. Financially, this month will see improvement. Justice is here. Ace of Swords is here, definitely, sharp, quick communication, quick offers. But yes, beware of you pushing the right people away. You are in an indecisive mode. Let me take out 3 more cards to see what are you indecisive about. What are you pondering over so much? I think you are indecisive about the options that you will have. You will be indecisive about who to choose. If you want to walk away, then you have another option open. But are there emotions also involved in that relationship that you want to walk away from? Page of Swords is again, Page is a very, I would say, temporary energy. You will choose between a mature person and a younger one, which is more passionate. So those of you looking for love answers, but you will definitely have a lot of options. Now, for those looking for money, like I said, you will definitely think from your head this month, and you will have options to choose from. Money will start looking good from this month onwards. It could be from the mid-month onwards. So let me see the major arcana cards. The Emperor coming twice. The Judgment, Justice and Judgment. The Devil coming twice. So you will have to really be beware of the toxic relationship that is really holding you back. Judgment and Emperor means that you might finally think from your head and think from maturity, and you might finally decide this is toxic for you. Let me move on, sort of a thing. Let's see what you can do to survive this month. I'll take out 1 card from this deck. But yes, Judgment means doing the right thing, or God will help you do the right thing, right? So don't worry about it. Emperor is a good card. Emperor is a stable card. For those looking for stability in any sort, you will find stability. I think this is more for people looking for a job or probably a business stability. You will find that this month. Let me take out 1 card from this. It says controlling your mind. So you have 2 devils here, and the Lord wants to tell you this is the need of the hour to control your mind. You will really have to guide your mind where to go this month. and things will fall in place once you control your mind. Emperor coming twice is stability. For those who are not able to decide this month, like I said, this month is the time where you finally will find a stable mind to take decisions, and that is what is required out of you. So I think that's not a problem because things look good. What is the ask of the universe is what you will be guided towards, so don't worry about it. I think this looks quite good, and all the best for your month, and keep watching my channel. Thank you.